Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So today I'm going to be sharing a Christmas clean and decorate with me. I'm just going to start by opening the blinds and tidying up the living room, and to wipe everything down today I am using the Mrs. Meyer's Snowdrop scent. It is one of my favorites. I cannot get enough of it right now, but I'm just going to wipe everything down with that, and I will also be vacuuming the couches.
Neck is frozen, catch me rolling, I'm the chosen, snow is falling, Elfie's calling, check my list twice, most of y'all done, sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season, sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. They say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose. When I fly high, my sleigh still stay 10 toes. Bring the beat.
So when do you guys usually decorate for Christmas? I usually wait until after Thanksgiving, but I didn't this year, and I'm so glad that I did not wait. I actually had my tree up a few weeks before Thanksgiving. The rest of the decorations I did put up after Thanksgiving, but let me know in the comments, when do you guys usually decorate?
Diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. They say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. They say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. They say Nick, what you got up in that bag. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer.
Now that the living room is all cleaned and everything is wiped down, I'm going to go ahead and start decorating this little fireplace entertainment center, and I'm just going to put up a few trees and a candle and a garland.
Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow failed. I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not going away. And right around the mistletoe, I'm gonna let my feelings show.
Now I'm going to go ahead and put up this blanket ladder for our stockings. I couldn't exactly figure out how I wanted this at first, so I did have to play with it for a little while, but I do love how it turned out.
And as we decorate the tree, only you and me, I'll be making plans, make you understand. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you
The last thing I'm going to do in the living room is just take some of these berries that I cut off of a pick and stick them in the wreaths. That way they look a little more Christmassy.
But now I got a plan, I know just what to do. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way, yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow failed. I wanna have someone to hold, walking through the forest.
Moving on into the kitchen, I actually didn't have any dishes to do. I had done them earlier in the day, but I did need to put them away. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that and clear off the countertops. Now before I start decorating, I'm just going to go ahead and wipe down all of the countertops with that same snowdrop scent, and I'm also going to be using that with a little bit of the Method glass and surface cleaner on the stovetop. I would like to know if you guys want to see any particular video from me during Vlogmas, so let me know in the comments if you guys have anything that you would like to see.
I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than
Now I'm going to go ahead and decorate the kitchen. I'm keeping things pretty simple since we will have so many gatherings during the holidays, so I'm just putting up a few signs and a few candles.
but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
Now that the kitchen is all done, I'm going to move on to the dining room, and I just wanted to wipe down the table first. That way it was completely clean before I started decorating.
Cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say
I'm just going to start by laying down this buffalo plaid table runner that a friend gave me, and then I'm going to lay down some pre-lit garland that I got from Hobby Lobby.
Here comes the jolly season again with the sleigh bells and choirs singing. But I hear no church bells ringing out for me.
Now I'm going to add these 3 pillar candles. I thought I had some that were battery operated, but I cannot find them, so I'm still looking for them. But I decided to just go ahead and add these for now. And you'll see me playing with the garland, just kind of squeezing it around the candles to make sure that there are no gaps or anything. And I noticed while I was doing this, I don't know if my garland is messed up or something, but you'll see as I'm playing with it, it keeps going on and off. I don't know if there's a short or something in it, but I'm going to go ahead and return this and get a different one just to see if it happens again.
It's the only thing on my wish list. That's someone special to kiss. People of today need the latest stuff.
Now I'm just going to take these berry picks. I actually cut off each individual section and just stuck them down in the garland to add a little pop of color, and it also I think helps tie in with the tree because I do have these same picks on the tree, but I love how this turned out.
And I'm sure Santa Claus can see and make you mine. Tell me Santa, it's Christmas all about love. In that case, can I have the one that I've been dreaming of? Tell me Santa, it's Christmas about love. It's the only thing on my wish list now. Tell me Santa. Reindeer trotting through the snow. Guess who's leading the show? It's Rudolph with his nose on the globe.
Now I'm just going to go ahead and finish off everything by vacuuming. I had glitter everywhere, but I wanted to go ahead and vacuum the entire main living area. That way we didn't spread the glitter throughout the house, and also to make sure that there was no dirt or anything.
It's Christmas all about love. Will I get the one thing I'm wishing for? Will I get that one thing I'm wishing for? Will I get the one thing I'm wishing for? Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna
I want to take a second to thank each and every one of you. I know I have a lot of new subscribers, and I just wanted to tell you I am so thankful and so grateful for each and every one of you. It really does mean so much to me that you guys are here, and I just love the support and the kind comments that you guys leave. They really do brighten my day, so thank you guys so much.
Christmas memory.
should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you.
Now that all the hard floors are vacuumed, I'm just going to switch the attachment head on the vacuum cleaner to the one for carpets and go ahead and vacuum the rug. I have the LG Cord Zero vacuum. I actually won it in a giveaway, and it comes with a separate head for hard surfaces to protect them and make sure that it doesn't scratch or damage them.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Here is a final look of all the decorations. I absolutely love how everything turned out, and I hope this video inspired you guys to clean and decorate your home. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please be sure that you are subscribed and that your post notification bell is turned on. That way you don't miss out on any of the Vlogmas videos, and you can enter the giveaway at the end of Vlogmas. Also, be sure to check out Jessica's channel. She will have a video going up tomorrow, and she will have more letters in her video as well. But I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.
Chocolate by the fire, 'cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe's, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on